How Do I Get to Thrive in Life? By Elsabie from elsabiesmit.com. The question is, I'm 19 and I have so much that I want to achieve. I'm studying at the moment and eventually want to open a wellness center. However, I'm struggling with being organized and committed to my goal and taking care of my own health. What can I do to get a move on? Here is the answer. You will probably not like what I would advise you to do, but here it is. You have the overall goals of finishing college and opening a wellness center. Keep working on them. They will not happen overnight, but as long as you consistently focus on them, they will eventually happen. When you struggle with commitment, ask yourself why you need to do the task and how doing the task can help you achieve your two main goals. Then focus on contributing to your main goals by taking that next step forward. As for organization, I can really recommend having a daily to-do list. Write down everything you want to do and allocate them to a specific day. In the morning, have a look at what you have planned for the day, and then decide first what you have to do on the day, then what you would like to do, and then see what remains. If what remains is not important, ask yourself whether it should continue to take space on your list. You already know how to take care of your health. Just listen to your body, drink enough water, and get enough rest. Remember, work for small miracles, not big bang stuff that makes you tired. Every small success makes you feel like you have achieved something. You could also benefit from meditating regularly, even if it is only 5 intense minutes a day. Find more of Elsabie Smith's books in hard copy, Kindle and audio on Amazon, or as audiobooks from your favorite audiobook provider.